It's important to be mindful when kissing a stranger to ensure that it's a positive experience for both parties. To start, pay attention to body language and the person's behavior. Show genuine interest in the person by starting a conversation or suggesting a game. Take things slow, flirt, and offer compliments that are not overly personal or sexual. Remember to respect their boundaries and always seek consent before attempting a kiss. Just because you kissed someone doesn't mean that they will assume you want to start a relationship with them. Shortly after the kiss is a good time to establish what you are hoping for. Regardless of where it goes, make sure to always respect boundaries. Just because you initiated the kissing doesn't mean that you're obligated to take it further if your partner indicates that they're interested. Similarly, just because someone is willing to kiss you or even enjoys kissing you, it doesn't mean that they will want to take it further.